Good day, everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my English online class. Today's lesson is about figures of speech. Please check the board and see what we are learning today. Today we are learning about figures of speech. So let's recap so that we don't get confused. We said we have 5 characteristics of figures of speech. We said number 1, we have comparisons. Number 2, we have sound devices. Number 3, we have contradictions. And number 4, we have exaggeration and understatement. Then we have number 5, which is others. So we already studied about number 1 up to 4, and we are still learning about number 5, which is others. And under number 5, we already learned about letter A, which is puns. And we said a pun is a clever play on words alike in sound but different in meaning. The double meaning is used to convey humor. Then we have letter B, which is rhetorical questions. And we said a rhetorical question expects no answer. The speaker uses it to make his point and to strengthen his argument. Then we learned about letter C, which is synecdoche. And we said in synecdoche, a part is used for a whole, or a whole is used for a part. Today we are learning about letter D, which is metonymy. In metonymy, something associated with the object represents the object. So basically what we mean is there are 2 objects, and these 2 objects are associated to each other. So instead of using the one object, we use the other because it is associated with the other. So let's look at the example so that we can understand this clearly. It is that hotel has excellent table. So that hotel has excellent table, and table is in red because it is an object which is associated with another object and it represents it. So which object does table represent? So this means the food is very good. So basically table represents food. So it is one object that is associated. This is one object that is associated with another object, and this object represents this object. So basically table represents food. So it is an object that is associated with another object. This object represents this object. So we move on to letter E, which is malapropism. It is the unintentional use of incorrect, similar sounding words. So this is usually a mistake that is done by people who are trying to learn English as a second language or as another language. Is a problem with people who are multilingual, who are trying to be multilingual. They already have a first language, but they are trying to learn English as another additional language. So they usually use wrong words because they are similar in sounds. So the speaker often uses language above his or her understanding in order to impress. So here's our example number 1. So I am also multilingual, and English is it is my 4th language or 3rd language. So I have been here, I've made these mistakes, and we all go through them when we learn English as an extra language. So here's an example. Example number 1, the cannonballs ate the missionaries. So cannonballs, a cannon is like a bomb which has wheels. It's like a bombing object which has wheels, and it shoots out balls of fire. When they land like a ball, like a bomb. So they are called cannonballs. So cannonballs ate the missionary. So cannonballs are an object, they cannot eat. They are an object, they cannot eat. So basically this person wanted to use the word cannibals because the word cannibals means people that eat people. So he meant the cannibals ate the missionaries. Missionaries are people, so the cannibals ate missionaries. But instead he used the wrong word and he said the cannonballs ate the missionaries. Then we have example number 2, which is I can ensure you that this is correct. And ensure is a wrong word to use because the right word is assure. We can use the word ensure in another sentence that is related to ensure, but in this sentence, it is not related to this sentence. The correct word is I can assure you that this is correct. Thank you everybody for attending today's class. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.